Google, Amazon, Facebook, Meta, and Apple rely on a variety of programming languages and platforms selected to meet specific needs for scalability, performance, and interoperability. 1. Google uses Python extensively for data science, artificial intelligence, and automation. Go, also known as Golang, developed in-house, is prominent for microservices and cloud infrastructure due to its simplicity and performance. Java remains essential for Android development alongside Kotlin for modern Android apps. 2. Amazon. Java is a key part of Amazon's backend systems, supporting enterprise-level operations and services like AWS. Python plays a role in automation, AI and machine learning, and DevOps tools. JavaScript and Node.js are used for front-end development and serverless applications within AWS infrastructure. Meta, formerly known as Facebook, leverages Python to power various internal tools and AI models. The platform was initially built with PHP, which has since evolved into a custom version known as Hack to boost performance. For web development, JavaScript and its superset TypeScript are extensively used, particularly with frameworks like React. Apple primarily uses Swift for iOS and macOS app development, having replaced Objective-C. Python is also utilized for automation and some internal tools. When it comes to back-end services, Apple employs JavaScript, Java, and occasionally Go. Each company uses a combination of general-purpose and specialized languages to support different layers of their platforms, from mobile development to cloud infrastructure and AI solutions. This diversity helps them address performance needs and maintain compatibility across various environments.